name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. It's our Fenwick Life. For now, I'll link right up here the video where we announce that we are changing our name and how you can help us do that. Alright, so today we have a fashion crate. This came in a little while ago. I've been trying to get this video filmed for a couple of days now. My fashion crate is a subscription service. So let's read a little bit about it so that I give you the exact details. You know, I always bring out my phone and let you know word for word. All right, so there are now 3 packages to choose from, 3 subscription types to choose from. The first type is $20 a month, and you'll receive a package of 2 to 3 items, including jewelry, accessories, gift cards, beauty items, right to your door, and you keep everything. The second choice is $35 a month. You'll receive a package of 3 to 4 items, including tops, dresses, accessories, and gift cards. You keep everything. And this package, which is the one I have, which is, it went away, which is $49.95 a month, and you'll receive a package of 5 to 8 items, including tops, dresses, accessories, gift cards, right to your door, and you keep everything. They also now have a referral program, and I'll leave my link below, where you can click on my link, and once you collect 3 clicks, you'll receive a free box. So you'll receive a free package. You know, I don't think you get anything for clicking on my link. So I'll double check. I'll leave it down below in the description box. You just click show more and everything will open up down there in the description box, just below this video. So that way you'll know. You don't have to click on my link. I will leave the actual link to my fashion crate right there for you. I don't know if they have any specials going on. Let me just double check. No, it's just a standard. No specials. Okay, so let's get started. So here's this month's box. This is January, and it's very sticky. 1 second, I'll be right back. Well, that was too fast, so never mind. All right, let me dig in here and get the card. There are some very soft things in here. Well, I can't find the card, so I'm gonna pull everything out, but you can see in there, everything's nice and packed. We pull everything out and then we will, oh, that's soft. Here's the card. Aha! All right, so there's a card in here that'll tell you everything that's in here. And this is for the Essentials and Premium box. We will start with that one. New year, new you. Live your dream top. Okay, so that is this right here. And this is so cute. Graphic tees are so in style right now. And this says, live your dream. So precious. Need a little motivation for New Year's resolution. Wear this top to remind yourself to live your dream. It has a value of $35. I've said this before, I believe that values are sometimes overstated in subscription boxes, but you know, 10, 15 bucks, sure. So super cute, and it is made by Ideal Tea by Next Level. So yeah, nice, I'll wear that for sure. Absolutely. All right, and the next item is cute favorite socks. Okay. Ooh, socks. Oh, what are on these little, oh, they're so cute. Okay, these are by Minky Accessories Socks, one size fits all. Let me pop this so you can see the little, these have a value of $15. Again, you see the little puppy? That's so cute. Oh yeah, I'll wear these for sure. Absolutely, those are so cute. They're nice and thick. You know, they'd be, I mean, although the little puppy wouldn't show, they'd be really good with my boots. Okay, and the next item is Brow Wand by Scone Cosmetics. See what this is? Yes. Oh, I'm out of brow. Oh, this is not my color. I need to talk with them. They've sent me a couple things that were not my color. I don't know where I fill that out, but I'm not this color. This is when it comes to brows, symmetry and thickness is everything. Create sleek, sexy brows with our Brow Wand. Value of $18. It is by Scone Cosmetics. It's just a brow pencil, and I'm not going to open it and show you because the color is chocolate. Not chocolate. My brows are super light. So this has carnauba wax, palm oil, coconut oil, Anyway, so there you go. I would have loved to try that though. That stinks. All right, so the next item is Vintage on Vine Nail Polish by Laura B. Beauty. Let me find it. I really like this polish brand. I've ordered some from them. Oh, I love this color. It's like a grayish purple color. Love that color. That is just my color. Value of $18. And yes, that's what they cost. The natural polish, one of the prettiest nail colors of the season. This true creamy mauve warms up even the palest skin tones and has a lovely chameleon-like quality. Depending upon the light, the effect wavers between dusky purple and a gorgeous Instagram vintage filter taupe. Wow. Value $18. These are $18 a bottle, $15 to $18 a bottle. Totally worth it. This stuff is so good. So I'm glad to have another one. I have a couple of colors that I really like. It stays on really well on my nails. Okay, the Showerless Shampoo by Busy Beauty. All right, just a, there we go. Busy Beauty Showerless Shampoo, clean and add volume. The Showerless Shampoo not only soaks up excess oil, it cleans hair and adds volume. $10 value. Okay. Me and dry shampoo are not friends. Dry shampoo is not friendly to my scalp. My scalp does not like it. It becomes very irritated by it. But there are times in which I do have to use it. So I will certainly keep this. All right, now that is all for the essential and the premium box. So you would have gotten those for $20 or $35. All right, so there you go. There's still more stuff in here. Okay, so now for the premium box, this item, which I am actually excited about, but I just bought one similar to it, but I love this. This is gorgeous. This is a faux suede. This is like a, just a super soft faux suede. I love that. I like that it's faux. Ivory striped cardigan. You're sure to fall in love with this lovely striped cardigan. We love the beautiful ivory and gray stripes. $50 value. Again, no, this is by August Mist, made with love. It's so soft, so comfortable. $50 no, $25, $30, $35 yes, but you know, if you're used to stuff like Stitchfix and places like that, the cardigans are often very expensive. I look at, you know, other places, but you know. So let's try this on real quick. I'm sorry, I'm gonna go out of the screen. So nice. Yeah, very nice. I am traveling this weekend. This will come with me. Oh, that's cute. And it's actually on my elbow, which is nice. Everything's too big in my wrist. This is a large. I probably could have been fine with a medium. It's a little big in the sleeves, but comfortable is best. So I'm fine with that. All right, and lastly, Mauve Maria Crossbody. This crossbody bag is so easy to, this crossbag, I am so sorry. This crossbody bag is so easy to rock this year. You can also tuck the shoulder strap into the bag and use it as a clutch. Value of $48. So, I have a hard time giving, you know, expensive brands what they want for their purses. I wouldn't give you $48 for this. You know, 12, 15, 20, yeah. But cute little pocket outside here, zipper pocket here on the top. I don't know, would your cell phone fit in there? Mine fits. There we go, nice. And a little section in there. And you know what? I am traveling this weekend. I'll probably take this with me. Give it a nice little run. So there you go. I like the mauvey color. It's super cute. It's like a pinky mauve color. Nice. I'm happy to have it. I mean, you know. So for 50 bucks, I think that's pretty good. Pretty good value for your buck this month. I think so. The sweater, the purse, the shirt, the socks, the shampoo, dry shampoo, the brow gel, and the nail polish. So yeah, I think that's pretty good. Alrighty. Right, well there you go. Another month of my fashion crate. I'll leave my link below. I'll leave a just link to the website down below for you. Hope you enjoyed this and maybe you'd like to give my fashion crate a try. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you'll join us on our travels adventures too. We have travel vlogs up. I'll pop a card up here, and there's often sometimes one linked at the end of the video if you'd like to join us there, and on our weekly vlogs. And don't forget to check out our name change. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.